Hello everyone. In this video, we will be learning how to use Tinkercad for simulating your electronic circuits. So first of all, open Google Chrome and type in here Tinkercad. Then open this website Tinkercad. Then if you are opening Tinkercad for the very first time, then you need to click over here sign up to create your account. Then click here create a personal account. Then sign in with Google. Then you need to type in your email and password here. And since most of you will not be having your personal email account, so you can take it from your parents or your any elder brother or sister. You can use any account. Once you have entered your email and password, it will ask your basic details like your country, so India. Then just make sure that here it is asking your date of birth, but please don't enter your exact date of birth, because if you will enter that you are let's say 9 year old, then it will consider you as a child, and in that case it will not approve your account immediately. It will take let's say 7 or 15 days. So just type some fake date of birth, like use some year earlier than when you were born, like you can use 2000. Then any date or day and a month. Just make sure that it is either 2000 or less than that, 1990s or 1980s, something like that. Then next, continue. So this was the process if you are opening Tinkercad for the very first time. But if you have already created account on Tinkercad, then you don't need to follow this process again and again. All you need to do is just open Tinkercad and go to login. Instead of sign up, just click over login, then personal account, sign in with Google, enter your email and password. Now this time it will not ask you the details like country and date of birth again and again, as you've already created the account. Now you can use Tinkercad for two distinct purposes. Either you can use it for your own practice, or you can use it to submit the assignments given by me. So if you have to use it for your own practice, then you will be clicking over here plus create button, then click on circuits. So here this is the interface of Tinkercad. You can just simply drag in any component you need for your project. Let's say I have to simply turn on an LED using battery. So I need these three components. Then I can rotate it to any orientation. Then you can see that this plus will be going to the bigger leg and negative will go to the smaller leg. So this is just crossing over each other. These two wires are crossing over each other. So you can simply click over here, select it, and mirror this LED, and then you can use a red wire. Just come in here. Here you can see a red dot. It means it is a terminal. So click over this terminal, move ahead. Then if you have to bend the wire from here, then just click over here and then move the cursor rightwards. Then if you have to bend the wire in this direction, then again click here move up, click, and bend like this. And you can see that this wire is still not straight, so I can just move the LED up like this. Then I can also rotate this resistor like this. Now I can use wire of some other color, let's say green. Click over the terminal, move ahead till you find the terminal over the resistor. So here I can connect by clicking. Let me straighten the wire. Okay, now I can use black wire for this connection. These blue, this blue line will tell you if you are going in a straight line or not. So it is for reference. Okay, now that we are done with the circuit, so you have to click over here, start simulation, and you can see that the LED is glowing now. So that's how you can use Tinkercad for your own practice. And name of the file is displayed over here. It is just a random name assigned by Tinkercad. So you can change by clicking over here. You can type in your name here, anything, and click over here. It will automatically save the name. Now you don't need to save the file explicitly because it will just auto save. So if you have to go back to the home page, you can click over here, this logo. It will take you to the Tinkercad dashboard. Then if you want to see your previous designs, then you can go here. And this was the file that we just created, XYZ name. So you can find your previous projects here. You can simply click over here and you can see the simulation by clicking here, or if you have to if you want to edit the file, then click over here, tinker this, and now you can just uh, edit the file. Now we will see how to use Tinkercad for submitting the assignments that I have given to you. So for that, please don't use this create button. What you have to do is go to this section, classes, click over here, then go here, enrolled. Then here it will say you that you are currently not enrolled in any class. So just click over here, join a class, and here you have to type in the 9-digit code that I have provided you in the class, and as well with the message I have sent you in the communication group. After entering the unique 9-digit code, just click over here, go to my class. It will show you name of your class, then click here, go to my class. Okay, so now here it will show all the classes you are enrolled in. Then to submit the assignment, you have to click over here, third A. Then this is showing the assignments I've assigned to you. So it is showing this activity, controlling LED brightness using potentiometer. Okay, so to submit this assignment, you have to click over here. Then this page will open. Here you have to click plus create new design circuit. Please make sure that if you will create any project using this plus create button given in the home section, then this your project will not be visible to me. So if you have to submit any activity, then make sure you go to classes enrolled, and here you click over this activity and then finally use this plus create button, else it will not be visible to me. Okay, so let us start our project. So what we have to do is we have to create a circuit in which there will be a potentiometer to control brightness of an LED. So basically what we will require is we will require a battery, we will require an LED, a resistor, a potentiometer, and a switch as well. So here you can see that uh, except this slide switch, other switches are not visible here. So what you have to do is you have to use this search bar. Click over here and type switch. Then you have to use this switch, a dip switch, a DPSD. So just drag it here. So as you can see that now the basic elements like LED, resistor, battery are not visible in this section. That's because you have typed in switch here. So you can clear this search bar and now these basic elements will be visible. Now to hide this section, you can click over here to make the size bigger, or you can bring it back by clicking again at this arrow button. Okay, so now let's start connecting them. So uh, it's better if you rotate the battery to this orientation. Then this plus will be connected at the bigger leg, and this negative will pass through all these elements and finally go to the smaller leg. So as you can see that these two wires will just cross over each other. So to avoid that crossover, it's better if you just mirror this LED so that the bigger leg comes on this side. Now let's start connecting them. Let me take a red wire. Mm. To start connection, first of all, go at the terminal, like this is the battery. And if you come over here, you will see a red dot and the name positive. So it means it is a terminal. Just click over this terminal, start pulling your wire. Now, if you have to bend the wire like this from this point, then just click it once here, drag it. Now I have to move the wire upwards at this point. So I will click here, again move it up, click, and then connect at this. So this is a red dot again, which is named as anode. So just click over here. Now, as you can see that this wire is still not straight, so I can straighten this by just pulling the LED bit upwards. Now I can rotate the resistor by using rotate tool. Now I can use wire of some other color, let's say green. Click over the terminal, move the wire, click over the terminal again. You can straighten the wire like this. Now this will be connected to the potentiometer. So as you all know that potentiometer has three terminals, but we use only two of them. Like we always use the middle terminal, and we along with that we use one of the outer terminal as well. So let me connect it here. So I'm using the left hand side terminal of the potentiometer. So along with that I have to use the middle terminal. So let me bring a wire from here and connect this at this terminal 1B or 2B. Let's say I'm connecting at 1B. Now let me use black wire to connect the negative terminal of the battery. So take a wire from here and connect it with 1A. Okay, now you are ready to go. You can see the results by clicking over here, start simulation. Now this LED is still off because the switch is off. So you can click over here to turn the switch on. Now the LED is glowing and you can control its brightness by rotating this potentiometer knob. Now you can also play with the values, like you can change values of this resistor, like currently it is 1 kilo ohm. So instead of kilo ohm, you can use ohm, and then I can make it 400. So 400 ohm. Then I can also change value of this potentiometer. So I will be making it as, let's say, 40 kilo ohm. Now let's see how it is working. Now as you can see that LED is going a bit brighter than the earlier case. So that's how you can create your project. And after verifying the circuit, just you can click over stop simulation. Now name of this project is given here, like it just Tinkercad just automatically assigns a name to your project. So if you want to change it, then click over here. Then you have to type your name here. Like let's say your name is Aryan Single. Then after typing your name, just you have to also type name of the project. So name of the project is controlling LED brightness using potentiometer. After renaming your project, just click over here, this empty space, and this will rename your file. Now you don't need to uh, explicitly save your project because Tinkercad automatically saves your projects. So you can just close this window or Google Chrome, or you can go to the dashboard again. Now if you again go here, this will show the project submitted by you. Here you can see. Okay, thanks for watching.